So we have something being raised to an exponent, and the answer is 1. One way to look at this is when something equals 1, that means the exponent had to have been 0, right? So it didn't really matter what was in here. So we could go at it that way. X squared plus 10x plus 25 has to equal 0, because anything to the 0 power is 1. So then we got to factor this. This one is going to be x plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so it's the same thing squared. X plus 5 squared equals 0. Well, the only thing you can square to get a 0 means that the x plus 5 equals 0, so the x must equal -5. And that's one of the answers. And then somebody's going to think, oh, I solved it. But there's another way to look at this problem. And that is that this thing on the inside could also just be a 1. Like, it isn't like two answers just pop out at the end like we're used to having happen in math class. You have to have actually two different approaches. So we're going to take the 4 minus x and set that equal to 1. X must be equal to 3. Without doing a lot of fancy algebra. Boom. Those are the two answers. Which one did you get? Okay, so for me, I thought this was the twist. This was the fun one. Let's do another one.